Are you ready to unlock the secrets of your customer data and skyrocket your marketing efforts? Today, we're diving into RFM analysis in Tableau, a powerful technique to segment your customers based on their purchasing behavior. Perfect for creating highly targeted marketing strategies. First, let's understand the basics of RFM. RFM stands for recency, frequency, and monetary value. Recency measures when your customer last made a purchase. Frequency is how often they buy, and monetary value is how much they spend overall. Before we get started in Tableau, your data needs to have these essential fields: order date, customer ID, and sales amount. You'll want to have this ready before we begin. After opening Tableau and connecting to your data source, drag and drop the order date, customer ID, and sales fields from the left-hand pane to the appropriate areas in the canvas. Start by creating calculated fields for recency, frequency, and monetary value. Calculate recency by taking the maximum order date and subtracting the date of each customer's last purchase, and then create a frequency field by counting the number of orders per customer ID. Finally, create a monetary value field by summing the total sales per customer ID. Now to begin plotting our RFM data, create another calculated field of a score for each of our three metrics. Score each customer based on each metric. Next, we're going to create a table which segments our customers, and we can customize these to match your data's needs. This creates our customer segments, which we can then analyze even further. To visualize, select the customer ID dimension, recency, frequency, and monetary value metrics from here. Create a visualization that is most suited for your data. Finally, build a dashboard. By creating a well-designed dashboard, you can visually represent customer segments, label and format your chart, add filters, and tweak colors to communicate your insights clearly. This is where you can start to develop targeted marketing strategies by understanding your best customers from your least engaged ones. Congratulations, you've successfully conducted RFM analysis in Tableau. Now you know how to slice and dice your customer data with ease. Use this to better market your products or services.